So it's 12:57. I just finished getting ready for the day because I need to take some Instagram pictures later tonight. I'm about to go have some lunch, and I think my mom's making one of my favorite dishes, so I'll definitely show you guys that. So I just got a package in, so I figured I would just unbox it on camera. So I just unpackaged everything. There's 8 items total, and I'm just gonna go through them quickly since it's not like an actual haul. But the first one is a pair of shorts. This is the A-line short in size 24. I find that BDG runs pretty true to size, so I'm pretty sure these are gonna fit fine. And then I got 3 pairs of jeans, and these are all the baggy jeans from BDG. I already have 2 of these, so I know how the sizing works. So I'm pretty sure these are all gonna fit fine. So 2 of them are actually the petite version. The 2 that I already own are the regular length, and they do bunch a bit at the bottom. So I'm hoping that the petite one is a little bit better fit. So this black one is petite length. It has a lot of distressing, which I like. And then this one is also the petite length. This is the one that I actually do own already, just in the longer length. This one is also the baggy jeans. It's distressed like those black ones. And then I got a t-shirt. I love Urban Outfitters graphic tees. I think they're super comfy. I wear them all the time. I'm literally wearing a graphic tee right now. This is a size small/medium, and I feel like it would fit pretty well. It looks pretty big, but not too long. And then I have this romper, and I think it's super cute. It's kind of different from my normal style. And then I have one more dress, and it's just one of those button-up bodycon style dresses. This one's a size extra small. And this is the last item. It's just one of those button-up style tops that's super loose. You can leave it open and just like throw it on over a bikini top or any sort of crop top. So those are all the pieces that I just got. I need to go hang all this up, and then I'll probably go finish editing one of my YouTube hauls. So I'm about to head out so I can shoot some content. I need to shoot 2 outfits. So the first one is the outfit that I'm wearing right now, and then I also have to shoot one more outfit right here. So once we get the photos, we're planning to go get some dinner at Bella Green. That's where we went in my last vlog, if you guys watched that. It's one of my favorite places to eat because they have a ton of dairy-free options for me and gluten-free options for my mom. But just a quick outfit of the day. The t-shirt is from Princess Polly. Same with the jeans. You can't really tell, but you'll see in the pictures that I end up taking anyways. The bag is from Peta and Jane. The sunglasses are Princess Polly, and then these shoes are Nike Air Force Ones.
Saw you walking in the street one day. It was a Sunday. You had flowers in your hair.
So I'm with my mom right now, and we just came back from taking a couple of photos. We decided to wake up at 6 in the morning, and most of the photos actually came out pretty good. The lighting was super... So it's only 8:30 right now, and I'm finished with taking content for the day, so that's good to have it over with. And we just picked up Chick-fil-A breakfast. So we're at Restoration Hardware right now in Dallas. I'm trying to get a good location to take a picture in my outfit right now, but we just kind of have to roam around and see where a good spot is. But so just got a freeze. I get the chocolate flavor. Oh, I thought you were sneezing. Wait, you're not in it.
I know. No,
So
just in
it's
case
okay.
I'm actually accidentally in it.
I just got the chocolate flavor, and I get the strawberries, chocolate chips, and cookie crumble as the topping. We're gonna go pick up some Ricky's hot chicken. It's just this chicken place in Richardson, which is like near Dallas. So I'll check in with you guys later.